Hey guys, it's DC Hacks here, and today I'll be doing a 25 pack opening. And if you want coins, just go to DT Hacks on Instagram. He got me all these coins. Go follow him, and let's open these packs, I guess. Please like and subscribe for this video. Here, let's start with the quick sells. Okay, 5,000. Here we go again. I have pulled a 400k, and that was pretty cool. 20k, okay, I didn't make profit off of that. Now I got a bunch of these pro packs. Alright. Open these fast. I'm on a time crunch. So, yeah. See if we get anything out of these. Yeah, I got 8 mil today for 25 bucks. I got the 98 Luke Kuechly and the 98 Julio Jones and a bunch of other players. So yeah. See what I can get. Whew. So I might be doing a coin making method here in maybe tonight. So I'll be doing a double upload today. I'm sick, so for today. Haven't been feeling good. Ooh, Harrison Smith, let's go. Mon Green collectible. See here. Frank Gore. I already have Frank Gore on my team. I wonder if that's selling for anything though. Ooh, Chris Hogan. Ooh, that's the new guy, I think. Is it? I don't know. It might be. If it is, then that'll be going for a lot. Let's see here. Mon Green. I keep on getting a Mon Green. Chad Johnson. So here we go. Team of the Week packs. Let's see if I can pull with David Johnson or somebody. Or the Odell, the new Odell. That'd be nice. Darn it. Well, Clay Matthews, that's pretty, it's not really that good, but, okay, Matt, whatever that freaking last name. Okay, well, that's a pretty good pack, I guess. That's a really good pack. Just make sure. Okay, thank you. I mean, for one of my last packs, that's pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna hit reveal all. Alright, well, I guess it was a pretty good pack opening, I would say. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys next video.